There's a feature on Shopify called Metaobjects, and Metaobjects is useful if you would like to customize your website. It's very useful for customizing your website. And when I was first learning about Metaobjects, I was thinking of how could you use, like, what would be useful? How could Metaobjects be useful? So I was trying to think of ideas, and think about how something like that could be useful. I came up with this idea that I'm going to share with you, and I'm going to break down how meta objects can be useful in this video. So if you look at this section here, how others are wearing it. Let's say currently on your Shopify website, you have a product, but you want to display current customers who have already purchased the product, and you want to share how they're using the product. But you want to share it under here, you want to share each specific product, how customers are actually using that product. So you only want to show images of the specific product here instead of showing like a bunch of random images of all the products. You only want to show for each specific product customers using that specific product. And so to do something like this, you might have created a template, and you might have, let's say you have 10 different products. Now you have 10 different templates sharing, you have a 10 different templates, and you have a section here of how customers are using that specific product. And that can get a little bit confusing. That can get difficult to manage because now let's say you have 50 products. Do you want to have 50 different templates of customers using that specific product? Again, that can get very difficult to manage. So I'm going to share with you how you can use meta objects to simplify this whole process, and actually make it so you only have to create that template one time and then add it to as many products as you like. So that's what we're going to do for this example here. So what you want to do is when you're on your home page or the admin panel of your Shopify website, you want to come to where it says content. Content should link you right to meta objects here. Now what we want to do is we want to add a new definition. So in this case, this is called what? How others are wearing it. So we're going to say something like current customers like this. And then for this, all we really need to do is most likely what? An image and then a single line text. So let's come in here. If we come here, we want to do an image and we want to do a single line text. So let's come here. We're going to type in file to get our image. So we're going to say image like this. Come here. We just want one image. This is required. Let's add it here. And then we also want to add a single line text so that we can add the name of the customer. So we're going to say single line text. We're going to say customer name like this. Required field. We don't have any minimum, so let's come in here. Now let's probably update this to customer image just so it helps keep us focused here and keep everything clean. Okay, good. So now that we have our customer image and customer name, now what we want to do is we want to come, let's X this out. We want to go to settings. We want to come to custom data. Now we want to create meta fields. Now we want to create meta fields so that we can actually display this information on our product page. So let's come to products like this. We want to add a definition now. And product page customer information like this. Good. Now we have our namespace, we have our description. Good. We have everything for our meta field. You'll notice here it says select a type. So instead of selecting, maybe when you normally create a meta field, you might do like single line text, multi-line text. What you want to do is you want to scroll down and you want to look for meta objects. So click meta object, and now you click reference current customer. See, very easy. So now we have our current customers in there. We're going to save this like this. All right, so now everything is good to go. So now what we want to do, we want to X this out. We want to come to our products here. For this example, I'm going to do it on two different products so that you can see. So let me open them in new tab like this. So we're going to do for the oversized t-shirt and then the short sleeve t-shirt. So let's do the oversized t-shirt first. So we have our product here. We're going to scroll down, meta fields, product page, current customer. Now we're going to select an entry like this, add a new entry here, customer image, customer name. So for this example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some stock images here. So let's say I have this image here, and then let's say for this example, I'm going to put Tyler like this. All right, so Tyler, and then let's say testimonial quotes here. Let me go ahead and copy this so that I can use it on the the other product here. I'm gonna save that. Good, I have everything saved. Now I'm gonna come to my other product here. I'm gonna do the same thing. So I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna select an entry, I'm gonna add a new entry, and then I'm gonna say something like Tom. Okay, hold on, let me text this out like this. Tom, testimonial quote here. I'm gonna select our image. I'm gonna use a different, let me use this image now here. Have our image, we have our name, we're gonna click save. Good, so now we have everything saved. Now what we wanna do is we wanna go to our customizer, our product, our theme customizer. Let's go to online store. Let's go, let me open this in a new tab like here. All right, let's come to our, okay, that's not the right one. Let's let this load, come here, come to products, come to default products here. Now we want to add this under, if you go back to Nike's website, you see it's under all this product information. So we want to do the same thing here. So above where it says style with, okay, so we have this style with image here. We want to add, let's say if we want to do image with text for this example. So we're going to do image with text. I'm going to move this above this section here. Close some of these out here. Okay, let me see something real quick. Okay. Good, 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 good. All right, good. Let me move this up here, right under. Okay, good, right? So now we have our image with text. So we have our image here. You notice here we have our dynamic sources here that we can actually change our image. So now what you want to do is click connect dynamic source. You see our meta object popped up here. So you click product page, current customer, customer image, boom, it's in there. Now we want to again change the text. Now let's say for this example, all we want is the image and this single line text here. So we don't actually need this header, we just want this paragraph. So let's come here, let's just hide this. We probably don't even need a button either. So let's just come here, we're gonna exit this out, connect our dynamic source, product page, current customer, customer name. Save that. All right, good. So now what you want to do is you want to, because now keep in mind, we have this saved for a specific product. So this product is going to show Tyler with his image and information. This product is going to show Tom with his image and information. The thing that we want to do, which we forgot to do earlier, is we actually want to save this because it wasn't showing up on the live website. So once you save this, you want to come in here and save these changes as well. Make sure everything is saved. So once everything is saved, we've come back to the live website now. So yeah, you want to make sure that you save all your information. Come down here, everything is as normal. You scroll down, you see now we have our image here with his testimonial quote. But now we're going to leave this tab open. We're going to open a new tab. We're going to look at the other product. And now you're going to see a different image with the testimonial quote. So now again, let's say you wanted to show a customer using that product, but you don't want to display all the different products that you have in your store. You only want to show that specific product. You can use Metaobjects to do so, which makes everything very simple. Instead of maybe coming here and creating a new product template and you'd call this short sleeve, and then you have another one for the oversized, and then making everything confusing. Keep it simple. Use these meta objects and the meta fields. It makes the overall process of your Shopify website much more cleaner when you're looking to change information. And then, of course, when you need to go and change something, you change it once and it updates, and it makes everything very simple. But I hope this video shared with you a little bit of how to actually use meta objects on your Shopify website. If you need help with any customizations like this, or you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I'll be glad to answer any questions or help you implement some of these functionalities into your store. And of course, we do have our monthly Shopify maintenance support. So if you're looking for monthly maintenance for your Shopify website, or maybe you just need a couple hours per week of support, we can definitely help you out with that as well. So please feel free to reach out. But once again, I hope this video was helpful. And if you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out.